Good evening. It's time once again for the Barry Bird Show.
Who loves you, baby?
Tonight is movie night. Barry goes to the Academy Awards.
And finally, I'd like to thank my accountant, Mr. Melvin Bombardi III.
Right on.
Barry interviews Clint Eastwood.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bird, but Mr. Eastwood is on location, filming in Turkmenistan. He'll have to come back another time.
Okay.
Barry makes an award-winning movie.
We're tired of taking heat from the man. Attack.
Oh no, this is what I'm afraid of. Yeah! We got problems here!
And we introduce a new segment called Barry on the Backlot.
And this is where the movie magic happens. Although they aren't exactly shooting anything right now.
Wow, Barry's new movie about birds taking over the world is going to be box office gold. We hope you enjoyed your evening with Barry Bird. Please tune in again next week. We have a wonderful show lined up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, everybody.
Happy trails.